My name is John McDowell. I am the founder of Liberty Fire Protection. We started our business in 2005. We are located in Rocheron, Texas, just south of Houston, Texas. When we were looking for new service software, we were looking for, I guess you could say, the unicorn in service software. One that will handle every aspect of our business, from service to quoting to projects, something that can manage the entire business. What we do is commercial fire alarm, commercial sprinkler, fire extinguishers, kitchen hood systems, security, access control, and cameras. Our target customers are school districts, mid-rise, high-rise buildings, general commercial. We started using Simpro in November of 2018. We currently have 35 employees and we're expected to be growing. Before moving to Simpro, we used several service softwares, accounting softwares, and paper documents for our customers. The reason we chose Simpro, after demoing multiple softwares, Simpro was the only one that provided everything that we needed for our service business. What I like about Simpro is we could take it from lead to invoice and everything in between. It allows my employees to be all in the same software, working together. Some of the benefits of using Simpro we found have been job costing, inventory tracking, project management, scheduling. So what I would tell somebody who's looking at using Simpro is that it allows you the opportunity to work on your business instead of searching for other softwares to use. Simpro is one software that my employees enjoy working in. With ease of use, stability, customer service has been phenomenal, and I would highly recommend using Simpro for all your service software needs.